E-bike, e-trike, at tricycle. Bawal na sa national road. John Cena, naglakad ng hubot-hubad sa Oscar. Wang Od, nahawakan ng alaga ni Papa P. Ipapatupad ng pagbabawal sa e-bike, e-trike, at tricycle sa national road ngayong April 15, 2024, at maraming tutol dito. Ngunit ang sabi ng nakakataas ay i-implementa lang ito dahil dati na itong batas noong 2020, at ang hindi sumunod ay maaaring magmulta ng 2,500 at maaari pang may impound ang kanilang sasakyan.
Kung nag-violate po yung ganitong klase sasakyan at walang lisensya yung nagmamaneho, kasama po yung pag-impound doon sa vehicle dahil wala kaming pagcha-charge ng violation.
WWE John Cena, naglakad ng hubot-hubad sa Oscar. At ang sabi nito, napaka-importante talaga ng meron kang costume.
Wouldn't that be crazy?
Jim,
What? I can't come there. Do the thing. Excuse me for a second. What's going on? You're supposed to run across the stage.
I changed my mind. I don't want to do the streaker bit anymore.
What do you mean you don't want to do the streaker bit anymore? We're doing it.
Just don't feel right about it, man. It's an elegant event. You know, honestly, you should feel shame right now for suggesting such a tasteless idea.
It's supposed to be funny.
The male body is not a joke.
Mine is.
No, it's not.
You wrestle naked. Why not?
Dude, I don't wrestle naked. I wrestle in jorts.
Jorts are worse than naked. Come on. You really not gonna do this? Fine, just give out the award then. God, the worst.
Costumes. They are so important. Maybe the most important thing there is. I can't open the envelope without
The nominees for Best Costume Design are...
Wang Od, nahawakan ng alaga ni Papa P. Masayang masaya si Wang Od at si Papa P habang nagbibiroan. Pati na ang mga kasama nito na nakapaligid sa kanila. At ito po ang Initial MT para sa Balitang Vlog. Kung nagustuhan nyo po ang aking content, please follow nyo lang po ako at mag-comment na rin po kayo para sa inyong mga opinion.